Hey guys, is your phone dialer changing automatically? You're not alone. So in this tutorial I will explain why your dialer keeps changing automatically and how to get back our previous Dialar. First we know why this happen. In many Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco etc. phones updates their phone Dialar, and remove the old dialer, and replace it with Google Phone Dialer. That's why it happens. Now if you want get back your previous phone dialer, then follow my video instructions. Simply long press on your dial pad. Then go to App Info. Go to Storage. And clear all data. That's it. You can do it another way. Go to your phone settings. Go to Apps list. Now find out Phone Dialar. Tap on it. And clear all data. After clearing data, open your dialer. You can see, the old dialer is back. Thanks for watching.